I hope you all watched the tech video on vCenter discovery and monitoring. Similarly, this video will help you to learn how to discover and monitor HyperV server in OpManager. The slide shown on the screen highlights the prerequisites to discover a HyperV server. Provide the domain administrator account for HyperV server. Although credentials for virtual machines are not mandatory, we advise you to add them because in addition to VM performance metrics, it helps you monitor key performance metrics of different operating systems via different protocols such as WMI, Telnet, SSH, or SNMP. Provide the domain administrator account for Windows platform, Telnet or SSH user account for the Linux platform, or the SNMP community string. Please keep the access information handy before the discovery. In a couple of seconds, I will show how to configure these credentials in OpManager. Click on Settings, Discovery, Credentials, Add Credential. Firstly, let me create a credential for HyperV server. Secondly, I will add the VM SNMP credential. Next, VM WMI credential. And VM CLI credential. Finally, all the prerequisites have been met and we are all set to discover the HyperV server. Click on Add HyperV. Provide the device name or IP address. Select the required credentials and click OK to add the device. This will take a couple of minutes to complete the discovery process, and it depends upon the number of virtual machines associated with the HyperV host. The HyperV host page will be shown as soon as the device is discovered. However, let me show how to access the HyperV host from home screen. Click on Inventory icon, Virtualization, and select HyperV host from left hand side and click on the respective device. We are currently seeing the HyperV host page. The screen displays the details of HyperV server, resource allocated for CPU and memory on the associated guest VMs, and we can see that a total of 10 guest VMs got associated with this host. Click on Monitors to check host performance metrics. Also, check out the graph views of all these performance metrics. Let me also select one of the guest VM and show how the VM page looks like and what data it supplies on the dashboard. Click on Monitors to check the VM performance metrics. Also, check out the graph views of all these performance metrics. I'm sure you would have now got an idea on how the HyperV server is discovered and monitored. Stay tuned to OpManager tech videos to know how to discover and monitor Zen server in OpManager. Thank you.